You know, these fucking fireworks. I've had it up the eve with them. I'm sick to the fucking back teeth of them. Bang, 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 fucking bang. Last night, right? It's only the fucking 31st now. It's fucking Halloween now, right? Over there, sounded like a nuclear fucking war. Honestly, cats are shit scared, dogs are shit scared, birds are shit scared. The only person who's not shit scared is me, and the only animal that's not shit scared is Hollis over there. He's a fucking tarantula, and he loves loud noises. Big question is, though, two big questions actually. One, what do grown men get out of it? Grown men getting kicks out of things going bang, bang, bang. Do they pretend they're in a gangster film or something and they're shooting people? Question number two, what they're going to do on the 4th of November? They've got no more fireworks left to fucking celebrate with, you know what I mean?